Hello and welcome, friends. We are back again with another birthday gift segment, and this time we have with us the much talented and queen of every heart, Hina Khan. Let's see what gifts she has received from her fans.
तो जैसे कि आप सब लोग जानते हैं कि मैं बूढ़ी हो रही हूँ मेरा बर्थडे आ गया है। फिर इस बात की खुशी मनाई जाए, इस बात का दुख मनाया जाए, समझ नहीं पा रही हूँ। बट आई एम हैप्पी ऑफ कोर्स। मेरा एक और बर्थडे आया है और मुझे बहुत सारे गिफ्ट्स मिले हैं फिर से। तो चलिए, आप सब लोगों ने एज यूजुअल, मैं अभी क्या बोलूँ, बोल के थक गई हूँ। इंडिया फोरम्स को बोल के थक गई हूँ। धमकी भी दे दिया है कि मेरे पास कोई गिफ्ट्स ना लेकर आए। बट इन्होंने भी आपको धमकी दी है, बट ना आप पे फर्क पड़ता है ना इन पे फर्क पड़ता है। और मैं तो हुई बेशरम, मैं जहाँ गिफ्ट्स देखे नहीं कि बस खोलना चालू। नेवर माइंड, लेट्स ओपन देम। ठीक है, ये गिफ्ट आया है टू हिना राजू। अच्छा, her name is Hina Raju. Wow. She sent me this gift from Maharashtra only. यार मेरे सेट पे आके मुझे दे देते। Why do you have to post it if you are from Maharashtra? I think she sent me a gift last time also, and I guess it's a mug. And मैंने साफ लास्ट टाइम बोला था कि प्लीज़ मग्स, सिरेमिक मग्स टूट जाते हैं, तो मग्स मत भेजा कीजिए। इस हिना की तो बात सुन लो। सी, वाओ, सच अ ब्यूटीफुल, ओ माय गॉड। मेरे अभी के आईटीए की पिक्चर थी इस पे, जबकि बच गया है, बट एक छोटा सा पीस टूटा हुआ है इसका। शिट यार, आई फील रियली सैड बिकॉज आई नो आप कितनी मेहनत से बनाते हैं ये सब। बट आई टोल्ड यू गाइज कि मुझे ये सब मत भेजो आप। सिरेमिक चीज़ें टूट जाती हैं। इमेजिन आपने महाराष्ट्र में आके पोस्ट करके भेजा, ये तो टूटा। अभी कोई बाहर से भेजता तो क्या होता उसका। इनफैक्ट इससे पहले जो आया था तो छोटे छोटे पीसेस में आया। सो ठीक है, बट आई लव द पिक्चर। यू पुट माई पिक्चर ऑन इट एंड यू पुट माई गोल्ड अवार्ड्स परफॉर्मेंस का पिक ऑन इट। सो आई लव इट एंड हैप्पी बर्थडे हिना खान। Thanks a lot Hina. It means a lot. I guess this is a card. Yes, it's a card. Sending your way birthday greetings. Oh wow, there's a card, there's a cake, and then there are small cards inside also, like you can see. Many happy returns to the day, Tollywood queen. Oh, Hina Khan, God bless you. Keep rocking with lots of love. Hina haughty, I like that. I ideal and naughty. A adorable. K kindness, kind. H humble. A awesome. N nicest soul. Wow, I really like it. But I like the H alphabet though, the full form. Keep smiling. I'm a big craziest die-hard fan of Hina Khan. Hope to meet her one day. Congrats to YRKKH completing 1833 episodes. YRKKH is the best. YRKKH rocks. I love you. I love you, my princess Hina D. Thank you. Thank you. I love you too, Hina. Thank you. So this is Hina's. Now this thing has come up from, I don't know, आया कहाँ से? इस पे लिखा नहीं है, अंदर लिखा होगा शायद। दुबई. This has come from Dubai. There's another package. Something in this also from University of Management Science, Lahore. This has come from Lahore, Pakistan से आया है। Oh, such a cute cat. Okay, I've got a very nice soft toy. One more addition. There you go. को ऐसे रखती हूँ मैं इसके ऊपर। So I've got one more soft toy and there's a card in it which says happy birthday dear Hina, happy birthday, wishing you lots of love, success, happiness, oriental lilies, kebabs and whatever else you wish for. Thank you. Thank you for remembering. Yes, I love lilies. Lots of love, Mariam, and also your family. Thank you, my family. This is from Mariam. Thank you, Mariam. Okay. This is another one from Hina Khan, India. And this is come sender. I know it's not written again. Okay, what is this? Oh, your rose has reached me. There you go. Shanza Akram. Sargoda, Punjab, Pakistan. Again, one more. Pakistan. Wow, आना जाना पड़ेगा मुझे पाकिस्तान अभी, I think. Another heart. It says love. There's something else also. What is this? It's a kind of jewelry box or something. Very cute. Is it handmade? If it's handmade, then it's amazing. This card, handmade card. Oh, wow. कितनी मेहनत करते हैं यार ये लोग. All my pictures, my cycling pic from Goa, my Dada Saab Phalke pic, my ITA and Gold Awards pic. Jio Hazaron Saal, happy birthday to you. With lots of love and respect. Happy birthday, Hina. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Shanza. Oh my god, मेरे बचपन की photo भी लगाई है. Wow, I love this. Then yes, there are my Europe pictures. And with my cousins too. Oh, they've put a picture with Fawad Khan too. Oh, it has come from Pakistan. How can I forget? Fawad Khan has to be there. And my catalog picture. All the pictures are beautiful. One of my favorites. With friends. Anam, Faryal, Anu, Fari, Mevish, Khalid, Maria, Afzal. Assalamu alaikum, walaikum salam. Many, many happy returns of the day. May Allah always blessed you ever. Ameen. It's a happy birthday, princess. Happy Hina Khan, ma'am. I'm a die-hard fan of you since starting of your show, serial. I can't even share my feelings for you. I really, really love you. At the core of my heart, I always call you Akshara Ji. You don't have to call me Ji, you can call me Akshara or you can call me Akku. But in real life, I feel you're such a heroine and princess of our hearts. I used to see and meet you one day. You're really awesome. No words to explain your skills and beauty. Just want to say, mashallah, may Allah always bless you. Thank you very much, Ameen. My all prayers with you forever. Lots of love. Umma from Shanza Akram, Shanzi Khan SK, and Ahmad Akram, Pakistan. Happy birthday with my daddy, mommy. I forced them to pout. Do you know this? This picture I've got, they were not ready to pout, and I forced them. I will. Long live a friendship, Akshaji, Shanzi. May Allah bless you. Nice. See this? Such a beautiful card. See? कितना हार्ड वर्क किया आपने इसके पीछे. I love you for this. I love you. I love you. Mwah. This is for you. This has come from Thane. Okay. I have got chocolates, Ferrero Rocher and Dairy Milk Silk. Thank you, Sabah. Then I have a letter and a card from her. There's a letter again, just to say congrats. And there is some, oh my god, how many letters? Sabah. Thank you, Sabah. I got your card. I got your letter. Then there's, oh wow, so nice. बहुत कुछ लिखा है इसमें. एंड देन इसमें क्या है? लेटर फ्रॉम योर फैन आलिया. ओ माय गॉड, लेटर है या लेटर्स है? ये तो पढ़ते पढ़ते शाम हो जाएगी. आलिया, आलिया. Tanzania, Alia from Tanzania, East Africa. Oh, she's put my pictures on this letter. Love you endless. I was jumping when I got first reply from you. You're a sweetheart. You always reply your fans and make them happy. Always. Yeah, every selfie makes our day. They're always awesome. Hope you enjoy it in Europe with your family. This must be your best holiday. Whenever you upload any new pic, I always keep it. Oh wow, WhatsApp DP. A lot of things she's written. I simply love you and adore you. Thanks for reading everything. Hope you like my edits. Allah bless you. Lots of love and success. Thank you, thank you, thank you. बहुत कुछ लिखा है. I'll read it आराम से. This is again. This one's from Sabah. And this one's again from Sabah. Sabah मैं ये वाला लंबा वाला बाद में पढ़ूंगी. छोटा वाला पढ़ देती हूँ. Following Wild Cricket since day one, from the first episode onwards, I'm in love with the show. The first show which is so close to my heart and show without negativity, a simple show all about love, happiness, celebration and relation. You've portrayed very well the role of Akshara from daughter to wife, daughter-in-law and mother. Now the show has successfully completed 7 years and soon YRKKH will set a new benchmark. Fabulous victory. You guys deserve it every bit. Congrats to the whole team and you. Congratulations, stay blessed. Best wishes, Sabah. Thank you, Sabah. Thank you. I have all your letters and I will read them आराम से. अभी I'll just continue with the segment.
Hi, this is Karan Mehra and keep watching me on India Forums. Guys, keep watching WhatsApp TV.